guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing great. So today I have a very special box to show you, and this is Easter egg 2024 limited edition from Madam Glam. And look at this box, guys. It literally looks like egg and eggshell, and it's so pretty. The birdies and the flowers on top of this box, the color is so pretty. And I really love this box. They launched really pretty box for Easter, and it is literally an Easter egg box. So let's do the unboxing of these box and let's see what's inside. And definitely a few colors, and I'm going to show you all the colors and the swatches. So let's get started. Also, in case you're wondering the decoration that I have around this box, I got it from Michael's, so do check it out. They have a really cute bunny here and some Easter eggs bouquet, and the little chick right there is so cute. I really like it. Okay, so now I'm just gonna open the ribbon. How cute it is. And let's open this box. And these are the colors. You can see there are 3 creamy colors and 1 glitter right here. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so the first one is a no wipe top coat, you can see, and all these bottle has like cute print in it. And here is the cute glitter, and they all have names. So this one is called Bunny Freckles. Really pretty. Now the next one is, see the bottle first, it's so cute. More flowers, like a nice peach color. And this one is called Egg Mania. They're all pastel colors, really pretty. Next one is the blue. Look at the birdie, so cute. Pretty blue, pastel blue. And this one is called Magic Whispers. Ooh, like the names. And the last one is another cute bottle, pastel pink. And this one is called Extravaganza. So these are the final swatches, guys, and as you can see, they look very beautiful and very pastel. So pretty, perfect for Easter and spring. And the glitter is so beautiful. You can mix and match with any of these and they will look amazing. You can even put this on a white or a milky white, so the glitters will show more. And it's perfect to wear on the accent nail, or you can apply on one of these colors. It will look great. So that's all for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're new. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.